Up or down?
Come on.
I hope you said down. The second part is down.
You're sweating already.
I don't know what's happening with them. Come on.
You didn't come your bicycle. I don't have enough energy. I'm going to you. It's okay.
You okay?
Why did you come off with a bicycle?
He was going too fast, he couldn't control
his
it.
bicycle was going like this.
Yeah, it was wobbling. You okay?
Yeah. You sure?
You wanna ride with me the rest of the way?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
You guys keep up. I'm gonna take it later.
Well, we'll put the bike in the back. How about that? We'll put the bike in the back.
Okay.
You can sit in the front if you want.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Just gonna do that.
But you can't drive. You can't be trusted to drive now. Woo! Here.
What's ready to come?
Perfect.
EJ, you good?
Yes.
Do I need to rush you to the hospital?
Not really.
How come your daughter's so far ahead of you?
Yeah.
I gotta go catch her. I can't believe your dad can't keep up with you. Wow, look at the view right here. Somebody's gonna build a house right here maybe, huh? Wow. That's beautiful. Just slow and easy wins the race.
We're going straight up.
Yeah, I know.
Straight up. Ah.
I thought I came to take pictures of you riding your bike, not standing behind it
So
without any air or oxygen in your lungs.
So I thought, but it's much harder than we thought.
Oh, no! What happened to Elaine?
She's like, no, go get her. Come on.
Ah! I got it on camera.
Yeah, well, I need to get it more.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
So it's back to the city. But you're alive, right?
Yes. I walk.
You can't walk. Look at you.
You can't walk.
Where are your foot you cut? It's alright, sit down. Elaine is gonna text.
Elaine can make it. Elaine's got to get in shape because she got to do this again tomorrow.
What we're gonna do, we can leave her and she have to come home.
Yes, thank you.
No.